very, very grateful for a calm night here in East Texas because that is not the case for other parts of our state tonight.
Yeah, it's fairly rough to our southwest. That's where they've had reports of large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. Now, luckily, that has not been the case. We had flooding yesterday, not a lot of wind or hail damage or anything like that, which is great news. However, we are not out of the woods yet. Here's a live look outside. This is atop the Plaza Tower. We've got mostly clear skies right now. We will see more clouds after midnight as our next storm system will be arriving tomorrow morning. But this is what Casey's talking about right here. Look at this. Lots of heavy rain from central Texas through Rockdale, College Station, Conroe, Huntsville, Livingston. So some heavy rain. It's not as severe as it was because we've lost the daytime heating. The sun is set, but we do have temperatures in the 70s, and this is going to set the stage for another potential day of severe weather. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to show you our forecast model Futurecast through 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Here's how things play out. We could very well see an isolated shower or two. It is a possibility tonight, but the severe weather threat for the remainder of tonight through 7 o'clock tomorrow morning is relatively low. But watch what's happening to the north of the Red River there. We could begin to see a few scattered showers and thunderstorms, and the initial area of storms begins to move in at around 7 o'clock along Interstate 30. So be prepared for storms early tomorrow morning. And through 7 o'clock, it's a level 1 marginal risk of severe weather. But as we add that daytime heating, the severe weather threat is going to increase. Back to Futurecast, 9 o'clock. A few bubble up showers and thunderstorms could affect the morning commute. As we move through to about noontime, that's when the storms become a bit more robust. The radar becomes more active, especially in deep East Texas, and this will carry with it a wind and hail threat in the strongest storms. By 3 o'clock, we're still seeing storms, and this is going to be an ongoing situation through tomorrow evening. So if you have those outdoor plans, you may want to consider postponing them because we will have numerous showers and thunderstorms in the area. Probably going to rain you out. Now, as we look at midnight tomorrow night, to the south of I-20, storms still ongoing. Those will move off to the south and to the southeast, and then rain, it's done by 6, 7 o'clock Saturday morning. So you don't have to be concerned with the possibility of rain this weekend. Level 2, slight risk, and as I mentioned before, the wind and hail threat, those are the primary threats. Yes, we could see a tornado or two, but that's highly unlikely just based on the state of the atmosphere tomorrow. Tonight, we'll fall to 68. I only included a 20% chance of rain. We're going to be partly cloudy before midnight, but mostly cloudy after midnight. And temperatures, they'll be in the lower 80s tomorrow. Look at that. 70% chance of a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. And as we look at the next 7 days, we are active tomorrow. Some of those showers may linger on into Saturday, but that's not going to rain you out this weekend. Look at that. Beautiful weekend. Lots of sunshine around. Highs in the upper 70s. We'll be at 81 Monday, and a few scattered showers and thunderstorms around Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And because it's May, some of those storms could be strong to severe because it's warm, it's humid. We'll have some of the ingredients there for those nasty storms Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then in deep East Texas, same deal. We'll have 80s tomorrow with a decent chance at some strong to severe thunderstorms, and then a few of those showers could linger on into Saturday, but it's smooth sailing Sunday and Monday. Isaac, Casey.
Looking forward to that, Carson. Thank you.
Coming up in sports, it's baseball playoff time in East Texas, Garrett.
Yeah, that's right, Isaac. Softball started last week. Tonight, the boys took the field. After the break, head to Mike Carter Field, where Tyler Legacy would need some late game heroics in Game 1 against Rowlett.